Hi, I'm Kristy Morley, Senior Naturalist at Wissahickon Trails, and I'm here to invite you to join us in some nature journaling activities. Nature journaling is a great way to get out in your own yard and observe all of the nature going on right around you. Each week, I'll be posting an activity that you can do from your own yard. Please feel free to post a picture of your completed nature journal page in the comments below so that we can all connect virtually through our nature journals. This week's activity is simple. Just get outside and find some element of nature in your backyard that interests you. Maybe you have some flowers beginning to bloom or trees starting to bud. Maybe you just want to get up close and personal with a dandelion. Whatever it is, it doesn't matter. Just get outside. If you have a sketchbook or blank notebook, that's great to keep all your nature journal pages together. But really, it can be as simple as a piece of paper and a pencil. Do feel free to jazz up your pages with color if you have something at home that you can use. Colored pencils, watercolors, markers, or even crayons will all work. I'm not a fantastic artist myself, but I do encourage you to try and draw some kind of simple sketch on your page. This really helps us slow down and think about what we are looking at when we are observing nature. Fill in with words and diagrams, ask questions about what you are seeing, and continue your observations and try and hypothesize some answers. Use your journal page to try and identify an unknown bird, or an unknown butterfly or plant. Two things I like to keep with my journal stuff is a magnifying glass and a ruler. This helps you make more detailed observations for future identifications. Regardless of whether you make your page simple or complex, just get out there and get started. Don't forget to post a photo of your page below and look for a new journal prompt next week.